For businesses down in South Florida, getting professional aerial content isn't just about pretty views. It's a strategic move that elevates your brand, makes you look premium, and actually helps convert viewers into customers. Okay, first up, where is it most effective? Drone video is a total game changer in a few key sectors. For real estate, it's perfect for showcasing luxury properties. For construction, you can track site progress from above. And in hospitality, it's amazing for capturing the full scale of resorts and events. It's really all about using that bird's-eye perspective to tell a bigger story. Second, there's a massive gap between amateur flying and professional production. A company like Design Moves Marketing Studio brings in licensed pilots with over a decade of experience in tough markets like NYC and South Florida. That means you get a seamless process from flight planning to the final edited video. You're getting cinematic, stabilized footage with timely turnarounds, not just some shaky, raw clips. And finally, local knowledge really matters. Being based in the Fort Lauderdale area, the team understands the specific lighting, the landscape, and all the local airspace regulations. This ensures the content isn't just beautiful, but also compliant and truly effective. So to put it simply, whether it's for development or marketing, leveraging a veteran creative team adds instant credibility and scale to your visual storytelling. When it comes to your brand's image, that difference between a hobbyist and a professional, well, your customers will definitely notice.